Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be doing an unboxing video. We're going to be having a look at this. Now this is the Panasonic DC-TZ90 Lumix camera and I got this in because I've seen good things about it. So basically we're going to do an unboxing and then we'll have a look at some of the features in a later video. So anyway, let's go and have a look and see what we've got in the box and we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing out the box is the paperwork, and as usual we've got a reasonably good manual. It's got quite a bit of information in there. I mean, you can go on the net and download a PDF version too, which is handy. You've got your warranty card and then you've got some other paperwork here which is a bit of amendments to the manual that they've included as well. So that's the paperwork and the first thing out the box. Next is a little strap or lanyard for the camera, so they include that. They include the all-important USB to micro USB cable and also the power brick. So being in Australia, this is the power brick for it, and this is basically so you can charge the camera, but you can also use it to transfer information from the camera without taking the SD card out. Also includes the battery. Unfortunately there's no charger in the box, so if you're like me you'll probably go and get an aftermarket battery charger, and also maybe a couple more batteries. And finally we've got the camera itself, and as you can see it's quite a decent looking camera. It's quite nice. I've got the silver tone and black version, and it does come in all black as well. You've got a reasonable amount of controls available on this camera, and you've got stereo microphone on the camera. You haven't got one that you can plug in, unfortunately. It does have tripod mount. But the plus on this is the actual screen. It's a fully articulating flip-up screen, so you can do selfies with it, which is really a nice feature and something I like about this camera. It does also have a viewfinder, which is also another plus, and also it does full 4K, which is really a bonus too for me. So anyway, this was just a quick unboxing of this camera, and what I'm going to do is follow it up with a bit more in-depth look at the camera and also the vision from it, so you can see if it's something you want. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.